Hello students, today in this video we'll learn about Word VBA, Microsoft Word VBA, and we'll see a practical use case of using macros in Word. Okay, so this video will discuss about binomial theorem and expansion of binomial forms. So those who knows about binomial theorem, they don't need any explanation, but those who are new, they probably have to check the concept of binomial theorem in separate sources. Anyway, let's first run this. So I have created a new ribbon tab that is called expansion. It has two buttons. One is NCR. NCR, if you click any text like which is in the form of NCR and you run it, you will get the value evaluated here. On the other hand, if you click in a binomial and if you run binomial expansion, so you will get something like that. Okay, so this is coming through a custom macro written by me. Okay, and I have used Visual Basic Language. I will show you about how the code works, but before that, let us try to understand what it can do actually. Now, according to my program, it can actually expand till to the power 17. Okay, uh, will I will explain. A plus b to the power 16, a plus b to the power 17, still that it can do expansion, but when I make try to expand for a plus b to the power 18, it throws an exception for overflow because the product become too high. Actually I kept the data type long, but still even for long data type this product is too much bigger. That's why it is throwing an exception. Anyway, so this is completely generated on runtime. There is nothing called hard coded. So all the values for the coefficient, everything is calculated. If we look at the code, we can see that we have this function for calculating the factorial and function for calculating NCR. So I was previously using this function, but this function has limitation. It was able to find the NCR and while trying to find the factorial for 13, overflow exception was I was facing an exception for overflow. But using a modified version, I was able to expand this till to 17th power. Okay, so I am not going into the details what I have done, but if anybody knows a better approach where I can get a bigger factorial or bigger NCR value, then it will be helpful. So anybody who watch this video, if you have a better suggestion, you can give it. So this is the standard form that we learn from mathematics book, but it cannot give a bigger NCR value for higher power. Anyway, in this macro, the expand binomial, this is the name of the macro. Here actually I have used word VBAs along with my logic. Okay, so how it will actually process the data to expand. So as you see, just to do this expansion, I had to write so many pieces of code, and nothing was ready-made or available from internet. Every logic I have wrote it down from myself. Now, while doing this program, what is the use of this program? Probably there is no practical or business value of this, but this is nothing but string handling. Once you try this kind of programming, different concepts of programming like looping, branching, and many other aspects of string handling will learn, right? So though this does not has any business value, but to develop logic on string handling and in general programming logic, this kind of uh, examples are very helpful. So those who wants to learn VBA in general, Word VBA or Excel VBA, you can contact me, because good hold on VBA programming as a language. It helps you to write code in AutoCAD VBA or CATIA VBA or some other CAD software VBA environment which has this VBA support. So this is not for any business or practical purpose. This is just for showing you that to write a good algorithm, you should know how to handle strings, okay, process strings character by character, and we can use this in word VBA as well. Thank you for this video, for attending or watching this video. If you have any question, write in the comment, I will try to answer. If you want to communicate me for further training, you can communicate me. Thank you. Bye.